Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V6 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list. Let me do it here. If you're not sure how to do it, just open the dialer, then tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner and go to your contacts. Now find the contact that you'd like to edit and tap on it. So for example this one, and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so this pencil icon. So here we've got the this section is divided into the picture and calling card. And even though I will focus on the picture because this is the contact photo, I highly recommend to set also the calling card, because this is basically the background when someone's calling you. You can see, for example, a photo again of this person, or I don't know, favorite food, favorite place, etc. It's, you know, sky's the limit. Highly recommend to set calling card. But let's focus on picture. Just tap on the circle option, and here we've been transferred to different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So the device photos, it is divided into our own gallery or camera, so we can tap on it and immediately open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Google Photos, which are backed up photos, so let me just omit that. Here we can also use the monogram, so 1 or 2 letters. And we can change the background color. We can also change the font. As you can see, we've got quite a lot of options to choose from. We can also use emoji. So just tap on this option, tap on the emoji, and here we can choose from the full list of available emojis. Just find the one and tap on it. It will be immediately applied. Again, you can change the background color if you want to, and you can also, oh no, that's ugly. I don't know, okay, whatever. You can also choose the monochrome option. So right now we've got the emoji, let's say, itself, but after marking monochrome, it should be more icon-like style, which is also great. And here we've got illustrations that are free of charge and they are available online. So if you don't feel like you want to use monogram, you don't really have a photo or don't want to use the photo, you can find something that resembles you about this person. Under it, you've got a lot of categories that you can enter, and there are plenty of options under each category to choose from. As you can see, a lot of things to do. I'll pick this one, so let me tap on it. And after tapping, you can change the presets. So you can change the colors from the presets, but which is great, you can also customize it on your own just by tapping on this icon here. And as you can see, you can choose the wall color, shadow, and the clover itself. So you can just choose it from this color circle, tap on done, the shadow. For example, this one, I know that it is not the best. But I just want to show you the variety of options that you can actually have. Moreover, you can crop the picture and zoom in or out, and this option works in all other options, let's say. So if you will choose the photo from the gallery, you will be able to zoom it in, out. You can, you know, frame it differently. Up to you completely. And if you're happy with the results, just tap on choose. So this is how our picture will look like. So if you want to confirm it, just tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.